so much fun, yeah, I had a ton. But last night, damn, I must have been on one. Hey guys, so I'm in Phoenix right now, and I have some good news. I just did a big girl thing, y'all. Hey you guys, so as you can see in my previous vlog, I went and bought myself an apartment in Phoenix, Arizona. Yes, currently I'm a Phoenix-based flight attendant, and that's the sole reason why I went and bought an apartment out there, because I just wanted my own space and just to start something fresh. So I just transferred to Phoenix and got an apartment. And I'm so happy and I'm so proud. So in this vlog, I'm gonna just give y'all a quick apartment tour. I actually have not been to the apartment in like a month, so I'm using old footage. I'm so sorry. This is like footage straight when I bought the apartment. I did not have time to go back and do a real like cute little video about it, but this is cool for now, so enjoy. Alright you guys, welcome to my empty apartment tour. My studio apartment. Yes. Okay, so this is gonna be quick and easy, y'all. This is my studio apartment. I'm so excited for this new space and this new adventure. I'm gonna start off with the living room space right here. I don't know if this part gonna be the living room or not, but we'll figure all that out. This is just the empty tour. I don't have no ideas yet, you guys. I can't quite show y'all the view. I don't even have one anyways, but I do have a window. All right, so yeah, this is the open space. We have our ceiling fan. I can control that with this. And fun fact, you guys, this apartment is giving very much hotel vibes, because guess what? It is a renovated hotel. And I thought that was so cool. See, just look at that. That looks just like a hotel thing. And this is perfect for me, because this is just my space, you know, for when I'm in Phoenix, because I live by coastal now. This is just my workspace. I'm gonna start with the kitchen. Got this nice big open drawer. I love that. I'm gonna put every seasoning in there, or cutlery, something. Nice electric stove. Yes, so easy. I'm gonna misfire, but it's fine. And then I love this up here, even though I'm so short. I'm gonna put some stuff up there. Comes with a microwave already. Some more space over here, you guys. Nice. I love all of these outlets. And oh, this is my favorite part, the double sinks. Got a cute little view. I can show y'all this. This is nothing. But I love this sink because it pulls out and I can switch it. I love double sinks. Oh my God. I love it. Because I love washing dishes, if y'all don't know. So, and then we have this. And speaking of washing dishes, I'm never ever gonna use this. So that's why I forgot it was here. I didn't even notice, because I don't mess with dishwashers. I'm a dishwashing professional, okay, myself. And then we have our fridge. Let's see, I love the space in this fridge right here. Yes, I can't wait to put all my healthy stuff in here, you guys. I love this bottom. This is the fresh drawer. Yes. And this is the freezer. Oh, this definitely more than enough space. Oh my gosh. I love this. All right, we're gonna do a 180, 360 as they say, okay? Gonna do 180 to the like get ready room, okay? Hey y'all, so I'm here. I just got finished filming another vlog, you know, when I'm traveling around the world trying to get this apartment, and I'm stuck here right now currently, so I'm gonna do my apartment tour right now. But anyways, my empty apartment tour. This is a bathroom. Look at these lights though. This is crazy. It looks just like a cute little hotel room. This is my life. This is perfect, you guys. So we got this. These do not open. That would have been amazing if this opened, like, could like put some stuff in there, but it doesn't. That's fine. I love this big mirror right here. Where my get ready with me mirror. It's so nice. Love the lights. I'm gonna set some cute little candles up. Oh, okay, another 120. Yeah, please don't pay attention to me, I'm an idiot. But anyways, I got 2 little spaces. I don't know. Oh, wait. What was that? The air just came on. Did I turn on the air somewhere? Probably. Anyways, let me turn that off. Alright. The air is messing up my vlog. I turn that off. Oh, and I meant to turn on the lights for y'all. I should have just turned on all the lights. Oh my gosh. Here we go. Alright. Back to what I was doing. This little closet space is just enough for me because, like I said, this is my commuting work home space, you know, just for when I'm working. I'm gonna just have like some stuff I can bring from home, my real home here, and my work stuff can go over here. This is perfect. Like, I know exactly what I'm gonna do with this. So, all right. I think that's the end of the vlog. My camera is about to die, y'all. Empty apartment tour. I'll talk to y'all later when it gets like more dressed up and stuff. So yeah, I did it. I'm a big girl now. Yay, peace out. I'll talk to y'all later. Good night.